at it again with me and my CNC. Today I'll be doing another Easel Power Hour challenge by Inventables. I'm doing a quick little coaster for my friend J.R. Greenwood, owner of the Maple Street Grille in Orion, Illinois. This project only takes a little over 5 minutes to carve out, and it's just a simple project to do. I'm using my Shapeoko 2 that I bought from Inventables back in 2013. It has a Makita router and a Raspberry Pi controlling the VCarving software. I hope this project helps me win the X-Carve for this challenge. I did all the modeling of this coaster and engraving in Fusion 360 and imported it into Easel. This is a great combination and has an easy workflow. I decided to whip up a little fixture for the blanks to help make this easier to reproduce. This project uses 2 bits, an 1/8 inch flat down spiral for the profile and an 1/8 inch 60-degree engraving bit. Since I don't have limit switches on my Shapeoko, the tool change is done by locking the stepper motors. Great thing to do. Please let me know if you have any questions and feel free to comment below on what you like and things I can improve on. And like everyone else says, like and subscribe.